In this video, I will teach you how to wrap text in the Excel. Usually, when you type a long sentence, long paragraph, then you will get a text like this out of the cells. How we wrap data? So we click the cells you want and home. In the home here is a wrap text. Just click here, then we'll change all the text in the cells. And now you see, you just need to adjust the width, adjust height, and adjust the width to make your sentence, make your text more comfortable. Okay, so how can I do with a new sentence, a paragraph, one sentence, one line, one sentence, one line, like this? So we just need to click here, and here's original text. Then click here, we click here, and we just need enter the ALT and enter, ALT and enter, ALT and enter, and will be a new text here. So here's a menu way, and ALT and enter. Now you will get it, a new line in this text. Everywhere you want ALT and enter, ALT and enter, then you will give a new line, new line, new line. Okay, so how can I do a new job in the cells like this, high join and high end join? I want to make a high end join like this. So here in the last video, I show you here, just click B11 and ampersand B12, enter. So you will get a high join, but here's less a new line. So we need to B11 and B12 with char 10 and ampersand. So it's just like a space, like in the Excel char 10 means new line. So I just enter. So hey, here is no change. We just click cells with home and wrap text. Click here, and will be a two line. So when I delete, it will change 2. So here is the formula. So in these examples, how do I can do this with a new sentence, one sentence, one line? Here, we just replace with the period, replace period with the period and char 10. We just replace here and ALT like this. So in the formula, ALT enter will be char 10. So how do we do this? So here we just use the substitute, double click, and the sentence you want, comma with double quotes. In the double quotes, we need to enter a period. That means I will replace periods, then what? Replace periods, then what? Replace periods and ampersand char 10. So here I will replace periods with periods and new line. So here we got a text like this. So how here, if I delete here, then you will find every sentence is not end of period. So we just need to enter and ampersand. So and then you will see in the sentence, in every sentence, here is a space. So we need to replace with periods and the space. So in the sentence, we click here with the periods and space and enter. Now you will get a good example for this. So in the Excel, so you need to know char 10 means new line, in these examples. So if I want merge these cells into a new sentence. So how can I do this? New join char10 with comments len, select this range len, enter. So you will got here and wrap data. Now here you can use this formula to merge all cells in the cells with in these cells. Here is a new line with the apply options. I think that will be help you. If you have any questions, please let me know.